Hey there, pet parents. Let's talk about understanding dog allergies. Dogs can be allergic to food, fleas, environmental factors, and even certain fabrics or cleaning products. Symptoms range from itchy skin and gastrointestinal issues to chronic ear infections and localized skin irritation. Identifying the allergen through elimination diets or allergy testing is crucial. Treatment options include antihistamines, corticosteroids, or immunotherapy. Regular bathing and flea control are also important for managing allergies. So, if you notice any unusual symptoms in your furry friend, consult with a veterinarian to develop an appropriate treatment plan. Your pup will thank you.